और रंग भी
मेरे
जाएगी।
हिसाब से आलिया बहुत ही अच्छी बहू बनेगी।
मतलब बीवी नहीं बनोगी अच्छी?
वो पता है,
बहू?
बहू रानी। I feel will be a good बहू रानी.
But बहू to the सासू माँ.
To the सासू माँ.
So what about the husband?
That I can't say. I don't know.
ये थोड़ी ना होता है.
We've not done a film where we've got married actually. नमस्कार आप सभी को। हम सबका इतनी प्रेम से आओ भगत करने के लिए बहुत बहुत प्रणाम करते हैं हम आपको। हमारा नाम है बद्रीनाथ
और हम हैं शायद बद्रीनाथ की दुल्हनिया।
और ये है, बताइए सर आपका नाम?
कन्यादान करने आए हैं। कौन करने वाला है कन्यादान? मुझे ही करना पड़ेगा। Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Varun Dhawan and Alia Bhatt. We're very proud to present our first theatrical trailer of Badrinath Ki Dulhania. As you know, it's the second in the Love franchise for Dharma Productions in the Dulhania series. We promised to make 3. For that, you have to make sure the second one really rocks. The first one really worked for us, and the second one is Badrinath Ki Dulhania, and then there'll be something else Ki Dulhania in the third one. This is like a concept that we had to do Varun and Alia in a love franchise. Shashank Khaitan helms all 3 films, and this is Varun and Alia's 3rd film together. They started their careers as Student of the Year, went on to prove their mettle in various other films before they landed up in the Love franchise of Dulhania with Humpty Sharma, and now we have Badrinath coming up. But we're going to talk lots more, but first we would love for you to have a look at our trailer.
Thank you guys.
Thank you.
Thank you ladies and gentlemen for being here. So now we're going to call our partners and the filmmaker and the lead actors of the film. I'd like to invite on stage our partners, well, not in crime, but in lots of love and great work. Vijay Singh from Fox. The director of this love franchise, Shashank Khaitan. It's his 2nd film. Thank you, Bhushan. Bhushan's been part of some amazing albums that Dharma Productions have produced, and collaborating with T-Series has always been a great experience. Thank you, Bhushan, for all your support always. Thank you. Right. That's them. Anyone for questions related to the film?
It was, to be very honest, it was really difficult, but I think I have this man on my right, Shashank Khaitan, who in Humpty changed me fully, and in this film, he changed me. He always said this, that when you enter the office to meet me, Varun, just forget who you are, what your previous hits are. You have to just reinvent. And honestly, I'm a little nervous today because I'm actually feeling like this is like my first film or something. Because Badri is such a special character to me. He's so close to my heart. I just hope he gets the love that we've put in to making him.
Hi, Karan, what?
आलिया ये प्रश्न का उत्तर देगी.
मतलब मेरे को समझ में नहीं आया क्वेश्चन. हाँ, जिससे तुम्हारी शादी होगी उसकी जिंदगी बन जाएगी.
बन जाएगी. तो what do you feel that आप बनाओगी किसी की लाइफ या बिगाड़ोगी? Is basically what she's asking.
नहीं, आई डोंट थिंक मैं बिगाड़ने का मन रखती हूँ. होपफुली बन ही जाएगी और रंग भी जाएगी.
मेरे हिसाब से आलिया बहुत ही अच्छी बहू बनेगी.
मतलब बीवी नहीं बनोगी अच्छी.
वो पता है.
बहू?
बहू रानी. I feel you will be a good बहू रानी.
But बहू to the सासू माँ.
To the सासू माँ.
So what about the husband?
That I can't say. I don't know.
ये
क्योंकि
थोड़ी ना
अभी
होता है.
तक we've not done a film where we've got married actually. So we've always been before marriage.
तो पता नहीं है. तो how do you know I'll be a good बहू?
Because you're good with mothers.
What do you mean? What does a good bahu mean? I need to know.
नहीं, बताओ हमको.
Only
जानना
a
है.
Punjabi boy can say things
usually
like
the sasu,
this.
sasu ma likes her, the father likes her, and I think
How do you know my sasu ma
you
will
will
like
manage
me?
the whole family. I feel.
Thank you. Just
Manage?
calm down. We'll get
Yeah.
into the next question. Thank you.
Hi, Karan, Varun,
Praising
Alia.
my offended.
मेरा सवाल आप तीनों से है कि यही ऑडी था, ऑडी 2, जिससे स्टूडेंट की शुरुआत हुई. देन बद्रीनाथ का भी यहीं पे पहला लॉन्च था और आज ये दिन है. किस तरीके से आप तीनों देखते हैं इस जर्नी को? लाइक करण, आप दोनों स्टूडेंट्स के बारे में बता दें और वरुण और आलिया अगर अपनी तरफ.
ये एक्चुअली हम एक्चुअली कहीं और करने वाले थे ये ट्रेलर लॉन्च. जस्ट टू टेल यू कि वरुण ने हमें याद दिलाया कि दैट दिस इज हिज लकी. हैव यू अदर फिल्म्स हैव आल्सो बीन लॉन्च्ड हियर?
All films.
All your films. So we were actually going to be at Cinepolis. Not no offense to everyone at PVR, we love PVR. It's because there was a wider stage, I think, and they wanted to do this dance performance. But then Varun said that this is his lucky auditorium. So yes,
No, you complete, then I'll say.
you sound so excited. I suggest you go first. Yeah.
No, I said that Varun said that this is his lucky auditorium, and then I said that whenever I've gone from Komal Nata's show for my cast and crew, my film has always done well. So Komal sir, you're very lucky for me.
We have to come to your show or
Right before the cast and crew.
Yes,
If you-
Right before the cast and
That
crew.
means you're. Huh?
Now he has two
You have
shows.
two shows. Acha, okay. So, yes, as you know, we're completely cool contemporary kids who are not superstitious at all. So that's why we're in Audi 2. What do I say? I'm very excited. This is Varun's third film with us and Alia's sixth, I think. I'm just like, I've said it time and again. I feel immense pride and joy. Every time they're on screen, I feel like I'm watching my own.
वरुण, आलिया, आप भी अगर शेयर करें अपने. वरुण, आलिया, पहले आप मेरे सवाल का जवाब दे दें.
हाँ सर, आप लोग कहा
आपके
हो.
like.
हाँ सॉरी. इसके बाद you'll let him.
तो इस जर्नी को कैसे देखते हैं आप?
I'll answer.
I mean, I again बहुत ही जैसे कि वरुण ने कहा कि एक्चुअली व्हेन वी बोथ आर नर्वस लाइक इट्स आवर फर्स्ट फिल्म, सो आई थिंक कभी कभी हम भूल जाते हैं कि जर्नी भी है, और आई थिंक ऐसे ही रहना चाहिए बिकॉज द एक्साइटमेंट, द न्यूनेस, द बटरफ्लाइज इन द स्टमक, हर फिल्म के साथ यही होता है. एंड I don't know, Varun say something. पिछले time भी I think Varun was talking the most, so I think
You
you
know,
should talk.
I'll say something. This journey has been a journey of ups and downs, and I mean that in the best possible way because my character does go through a lot of changes as the film progresses. I had a lot of alcohol. I consumed a lot of alcohol during this film. There are some behind the
For the character.
Yeah, so I mean, it was a very. It's been more emotional than other films of mine, which are more light-hearted in vein. This has a lot of fun, frolic, everything. There's a certain intensity and there's a certain change which the character goes through. So there were times when I myself was angry sometimes on set. I was snapping at Alia and Shashank at times on set.
Sometimes you want to, Shashank, you want to tell the numbers of fights we've
I
had?
think we should hear it from Shashank about the experience because he's worked with them probably more than I have.
Yeah, Varun, why were you snapping so much, man? That's a question to ask. But it's been a very interesting character. Both the characters have been interesting to work with them because, as he pointed out, we are entering a world which probably they both have never seen before. And just to get the language correct, just to get the Malayu correct, it has been great fun to work with them. And I think the rest, hopefully the film will talk for itself.
Definitely, one of the best things about this film is that we got a chance to go to Jhansi and shoot. We got a chance to go to Kota and shoot. There's no Dharma film that has ever been shot in Jhansi or Kota before this. No, I'm not saying that as a bad thing, but I'm just saying...
You just accused me.
No. What I mean is that this is very unlike other Dharma films. It's a new thing for Karan as well, I think. This film.
It's Heartland.